Good morning, students. You must have observed greenery around you. This greenery consists so many varieties of plants and trees. So today we will start a new chapter, getting to know plants. In this chapter we will find out varieties of plants. But firstly, let's see what are important topics and subtopics which we are going to discuss in this chapter. First topic is introduction. Second is types of plants, in which we will discuss different types like shrubs, herbs, and trees. Third topic is parts of plant, in which we will talk about different parts of the plant like stem, leaf, root, and flower. So let's start with our first topic, and that is introduction. Students, in our surrounding we can see different kinds of plants, and these plants are not in one or two quantity. There is a huge variety of plant exist on this earth. If you will observe in your surrounding, you will get different trees like banyan trees, mango trees, coconut trees. You can also see some plants like rose plant, tomato plant, etc. नाउ ये सारे प्लांट्स एंड ट्रीज जोग्राफिकल लोकेशन पे डिपेंड करते हैं. जैसे कि डिजर्टेड एरिया में हमें कैक्टस देखने को मिलते हैं, हिली एरिया में हमें पाइन ट्रीज ये सब देखने को मिलते हैं. सो ऑल द ट्रीज एंड प्लांट्स बेस्ड ऑन देयर जोग्राफिकल लोकेशन. नाउ इन सब में बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस है, और वो डिफरेंस है हाइट एंड इनकी स्टेम और ब्रांचेस का. So on the basis of height, there are three categories of plants like herbs, shrubs, and trees. So first category is herbs. Now if you closely observe herbs, then you will observe that they are short in height. As you can see, these grass, they are short in height, and even they are having this green and soft stem. Okay, like these small plants are having. And in the same way, the grass, in some grass you will found any stem. Okay, but in some grass you will not found any kind of stem except leaves only. And this is the best example. Here you can see the green stem is there. Okay, so these all are the quantities of herbs. Next we will talk about shrubs. These are neither too short nor tall. Basically, they are having the medium sized. Okay, they are the medium sized crop. They have hard woody thin stem. It can be brown and little bit harder. We can take example of this flower plant. Okay, you can see this flower plant. Even we can also take example of China rose and basil's plant. In Hindi we call it tulsi. Branches are seen towards the base of the stem. जो इन प्लांट्स की ब्रांचेस हैं वो बेस की तरफ से देखी जा सकती हैं. सो दीज आर shrubs. Now we will talk about trees. They are very tall in height. They have a strong branch stem. Okay, students, look at these pictures. These are different kinds of trees, and all trees are mostly taller than us. Also, they are having the strong and brown stem. Even you can see the bark of the tree, that is extremely strong. Okay, and thick. Branches are many and towards upper part of stem. Okay, जो इन ट्रीज की जो ब्रांचेस होती हैं ये ऊपर की तरफ फैलती हैं. ओके, एंड हमेशा ये ऊपर की तरफ ही ग्रो करती हैं. And some examples of trees are coconut trees, banyan trees, mango trees, etc. So these all are the examples of trees, and mostly all of the trees are taller than us. So on the basis of their height, stems and branches. We have talked about categories of plants like herbs, shrubs and trees. Now it's your turn to observe around your surrounding. Or you can do one thing, you can visit your home garden and list some plants like herbs, shrubs and trees in this table on your rough notebook. Basically this is only for your understanding. Or you can also make a short video of your home garden by explaining some kinds of plants like herbs, shrubs and trees.